This video will show you how to set up the TensorFlow Lite Micro wake word on the Raspberry Pi Pico. For this you'll need a Raspberry Pi Pico with the header pins soldered on, an Electret microphone. For this example I'm using the Adafruit microphone amplifier with adjustable gain. Again you'll need to solder some pins onto this. I will also be using a breadboard for the Pico and a mini breadboard for the microphone. And finally you'll need 3 male-to-male jumper wires. The first step is to put your Pico onto the breadboard. To do this, push both headers and your Pico into the holes on the breadboard and keep pushing until the Pico is lying flat. Now we do the same with the electric microphone and the mini breadboard. We are now ready to begin the wiring. Take the audio out on the electric microphone to the 10th pin down on the right on the Pico. This is ADC 0. We'll now take ground on the microphone to ground on the Pico. We'll be using the ground pin, which is 3 up from the bottom on the right hand side. Finally we'll take the VCC pin on the electric microphone to the 3.3 voltage out pin on the Pico. This is the 5th pin down on the right hand side. With the assembly complete, we are now ready to download the application from GitHub. You can find this on my GitHub repository called Pico Wake Word. Once on the web page, go to the folder labeled bin, click on the UF2 file and then finally click download. We are now ready to flash the Pico. To do this, you need to hold down the boot cell button while inserting a micro USB cable. The Pico will then show up as a mass storage device, as can be seen on the top right of my desktop. The final step is to drag and drop the .uf2 file onto the Pico.
Yes. No. No. Yes. No.